Okay, another day. So I'm home now and I have to basically clear out the room. I get a tour of the garbage where I want. Go over there. So yeah, so I have to clear out all of that, go through them, and then I'm realizing like I have a letting go problem as usual. Like I have some clothes in there I want to buy from like 2013, still have on the tag, probably can't fit me because I don't have that little body anymore, and I think it's time to let them go. Or not, we'll see. I don't know, I feel like I keep the clothes and I make a member things with the clothes. I'm like, seriously, but we'll see what happens. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take care of that for now. Okay, so it's just a little bit cleaner, but yeah, I'm gonna turn the computer table now. What order can I come with for? If I swing the printer to that side, the wires are gonna have to stretch and I'm gonna have to change the entire bottom half to the next side, so I'll keep it to the right. Don't forget to set low because it's supposed to go underneath it. I don't want it to be underneath it because I'm gonna put my foot when it down underneath it. You know what I'm gonna go with there? It's a come along. This is at a first stage. Today I didn't even take up the camera before I did 2 errands, but I did 2 parent teacher conference, you know, to check on the kids, to see what I'm gonna do, and then now I have to run for an important meeting. I'm gonna tell you guys how it goes after. We're gonna see how good it goes and then we can talk about it after, but I think I have to head to that side now because more just knock it out of the way from now, and then if I need to do anything else I could do it, but we need to knock it out of the way now, like right now, like we need some changes right now. So yeah, see you guys in the next clip. A lot has happened. I don't have any cars today, so I didn't get to go on my walk, but it's now like dinner time and I have to be out of here in like 45 minutes, and I'm like, is this like my food done cooking time? Probably not, but I'm just gonna start it so that way I can come back in time to finish it. But find myself a show with the things, so like I took out a lot of stuff to give away and throw away. Like I'm at that point where it's time to let go. I'm not holding on to anything. I'm not bringing none of this in at 2025, 2024 the year. This is my year. Every year my year, but that year, yeah, I ate that. bless you. Daughter, I'm going through her closet because I'm bringing over like her clothes and stuff, but I'm seeing clothes from when she was younger, and it's like they're like 2 to 3T like younger clothes, but they look so cute because she never wear them as much. And it's like, do I just go ahead and donate these to the thrift store, or do I sell them? But honestly, I'm not gonna really sell them because them things, just selling them takes too much work. You know, I have to post them, you have to check in. I can't bother with that. Like, I would rather to give it to like a mom, like, oh, you want this, and just carry them together or something like that. But it's hard to find that too. And then when you join those groups, yeah, so because I don't want to deal with it, I guess I have to donate it to the thrift store. But a lot of these things are like so cute. That's why I keep looking at them like, do I really want to? Do I really have to? But I kind of do, because we don't need to hoard stuff, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put away some of these stuff. And she's turning 6, so let's see what this is. A 2. Why do I still have this 2-year-old dress? Any other moms out there have an issue like getting rid of the older clothes? Because I feel like I have a problem. This is 2 and I still have this. I think I'm gonna put this on a teddy bear. I don't really think me can give it this. All of the clothes I'm put in her drawer with it small for her for how long, and I never took them out because she was just wearing them as yard clothes. So now that I am switching over her dresser, I don't think I should put these tiny clothes in her drawer. And you know, I don't have that much teddy bear to put them on, so I have to donate them. You know, I'm gonna take them to the thrift store. Call it a day. Come here. No judgment, but let's look at what I still have. Look at this. They are 5. Why do I still have bibs? Why do I still have the bibs? I ain't no sir. I'm gonna put them baby and I put them on a teddy bear. Why do I still have bibs? Why do I have bibs? Oh my gosh. This. And it's a whole drawer full of bibs. Like, but it's like never think she's not a girl. What is wrong with me? Either way, I have to get rid of them. There's no reason for me to put them in the new drawer. Like, them no wear bibs no more. Damn it. So it is the next day and I'm cleaning again. I'm a dishwasher. I'm gonna really use it when I try to start use it now, but it's clogged. So we're gonna DIY and fix it. We're gonna unscrew some things and see if we can figure out what this mess is about.